Well, hey there, YouTube. Just wanted to let you know that we had a fireball come across the Iowa skies last night, and we have a little information that's on our local news. And this is the only video that we know of here, as you can see um, across the bottom. But look how low to the horizon, as you can notice that this is. Very amazing. And go ahead and rewind it again here a little bit. And this is the only known video that's out there of the actual meteor itself. So I thought I'd put it out there on my channel for you to catch. Channel 13 has it out there on their local site. I'll go ahead and rewind it more for you. You can see there's actually an object in the sky there as well. But this is a very low flyer. It's not coming down this way or this way. I mean, this thing could have caused some damage, people. Very easily. But yeah, I thought I'd just go and show you a video of that actual fireball. Go ahead and replay it for you. It's really hard telling exactly. It looks like it is coming out of the north and moving to the south. So this would not be part of the meteor showers that we've been known to have. You can see there's an aircraft right there. So very unusual. Expect to see more of this. I'm ashamed that I missed it. I'm usually out there looking. That's usually about the only time we're going to see stuff like that. I like this view here because it's showing what is really close around it, but you zoom in here. You see it's a pretty impressive fireball. I'll go ahead and leave a link to the story so you guys can check it out. But thought you would enjoy it. With the link here, folks, I'll just show you the website itself, my local news site, and to show you here for the sight impaired, maybe an amateur meteor spotter caught a moment of the fireball flew across Iowa sky Thursday evening. Tim Klein says he has two cameras pointing at the sky at his Williamson Observatory. He says the footage shows the meteor flying north towards Des Moines. Consistent with witness reports, the timestamp puts the bright object flying at about 5:41 p.m. Channel 13 received several reports of a colorful fireball across the metro and even on the Iowa-Missouri border. The National Weather Service said there was also caught some footage of it. They later backtracked, saying the moving object in the video was more likely Venus. That's a little telling. Maybe they caught something they didn't want to show us while they were looking into other things. And a lot's going out there on Facebook. Jacob Kranovich also described it. I literally drove right underneath it. It looked like a giant firework going sideways. It gave off a bright green glowing color. I'm dead serious. And it broke up and sparks showered everywhere and faded out. Happened too fast to get a picture, and I was driving as well. And Mercedes Scholey is stating that right before it sizzled out and went black, I watched it break off into at least 3 pieces. Now, when she says that she saw it break up into at least 3 pieces, and I showed you the video here, if you want to, I'll show it again. If this object broke up in at least 3 pieces, I can imagine how large it was in the first place. And if this object would not have broken up, it would have impacted all in one piece. We would have had a major event right here in Iowa, in the Midwest, for sure. I wanted to also point something out here to you folks in this that I've been noticing through this video, and namely these objects that come into view in the zoom mode here. If you notice at the top of your screen here, as it goes across here, and then another one pops in at the top as well after this one, right up here. Okay, here's that one here. There's an object in the sky here. So it appears that we have an aircraft that might have been involved in viewing this. So go ahead and replay. I'd be interested to know what kind of view they had. There's no doubt in my mind, so you can see the plane there, you can see the plane there, but then there's another plane here. One right behind each other here. So, and from my understanding, these are the military planes that are up there at night. So were they ready for this fireball? Because I'm telling you, if that thing hit on full force and it didn't split up like they said it did, you know, you can see if it broke up into 3 or more pieces, I think they were ready for this one. As you can see, there's a plane there and there's a plane here. Let's study this one more time, folks. There's that plane right there. Just tracking right along with it. I don't know, just a curious thought here. Should always take a good look at all the views and all the possibilities, but there's definitely something hovering here and definitely a craft here. Well, have fun with this one today, folks. God bless you all. Happy New Year.